Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up heroes on arena on Whiteout Survival. But before we jump in, I will show you a little bit about my city. This is my city. You can see I reached level 11, and then yeah, so okay, I will show you my heroes also. So this is my heroes. As you can see, I will upgrade
Hey,
it.
snowball fight.
Okay.
Hello from the Dawn Alliance's most handsome poster boy.
Let's see the skills. Okay. Okay, wait.
Hello from the Dawn Alliance.
We'll
It's
update
been too
another
long
heroes.
since my lost
first.
weapon prototype.
Okay,
I'll do all I can to restore law. Hey, easy there.
I
We're
will
ready
update
for anything.
Okay, cool.
Any new weapon?
Okay,
Use me as a
I will upgrade it later, but yeah. Okay, this is my hero. Okay, come back to arena. So where's my arena? So this is my arena. Okay, as you can see, this is the leaderboard, and yeah, I already did my challenge 5 times here, so I cannot do it again. And let's go to the setup. So this is my setup, guys. So basically, guys, there are 2 lines. First line is 2 heroes, and the second line is 3 heroes. So basically, the best option here, you have to put 2 infantry in the front line, and then in the second line you can put either marksman or lancer, but I prefer marksman because if the enemy attack you, the marksman can immediately defense. So if it's lancer, they have to move forward and then attack or defense. But if it's marksman, they can immediately defense your setup. So yeah, this is my setup. I think this is the best option, guys, for my setup. Maybe you have a recommendation. I think this is the best. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. I don't know if we quick deploy like this. I don't think this is the good one, because there is lancer in the front. It's not good because he will immediately die. So yeah, the best one is we have to put here like this, and we put this and this one. Oops, sorry. And then this one. This is the best one. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.